Hi everyone and welcome back to my place. Isn't this just beautiful? What could be nicer than just roses? I adore them, and I think I know why that saying goes, a rose is a rose is a rose, because it is the queen of the roses, or the flowers, that rose, and I love it. But anyway, stop talking, Astar, and let's just concentrate. Last time I shared how to do an arrangement I called Evergreen. It's just a whole collection of green. I have this in my lounge all of the time, and when visitors are coming, it's just a matter of, there's my base, put flowers, and I either put fresh or I put artificial into it. So once your base is done, you know what? Half your work is done. And the other thing that I like about just greens is the composition of all the greens, all the forms, all the textures. It gives beautiful balance and harmony to any room. Today I want to share what I normally do when I've got my base and I've got these roses. You could use fresh garden roses if you wanted to. I'm going to use the artificial because I love this particular rose, and I know that with my guests that are coming over at the weekend, which is going to be so exciting to have people in because the restrictions for COVID are being slowly lifted. Right, let me just show you how easy this is. I'm going to start with the white first, and it's just a matter of just going through and I should have taken the tags off, never mind. The tags can just be hidden into there. Just placing your roses, if they're all the same, I don't want that one. If they're all the same length before you start, you don't have to worry about, oh, that's a little bit too short and that's a little bit too big. You can just pop them in and remembering what I've always said about, remember there's like this imaginary line that's running through the center of your arrangement, and whatever you do on one side, you just do on the other. Now I just need to bring it round here a little bit so that I can see what I'm doing, and I can see that there's just a little void there that needs one more rose. Now let me just turn this around so that you can see it. How's that looking? Look at that, a beautiful picture, and all I did was put in a few roses. Now I also wanted to use the blush roses because that just connects in with that lovely grey, and I've got the gum nuts in here and I've got the dusty miller, and it just actually helps to warm the whole arrangement up. Now I'm going to go to the back. I'm not worrying about going around to the back of this design because it's actually going onto a buffet, so it won't be needing too much. Now this can go down into there. I love this easy designing, and I was actually hoping that my beautiful pink and white hydrangeas might have been out, but they're nearly out, but they're not firmed up yet. So next time I see, I'm going to show you how to put those in. Now I'm just going to put another one into there just because I feel like it. Another one can go into there. I need to see this from here because and I'll just bring that down. Now we don't need those. So let me just show you what we have achieved. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Just roses, and the picture is complete. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing with you, and I look forward to seeing you the next time. And I'm going to put some hydrangeas in and change it up. See you again another day.